grow.
Hey, Blueberry, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, Joel. I planted a sunflower seed in my cup yesterday, and I'm waiting for it to grow into a plant.
Oh, well, I don't think that the seed is going to sprout anytime soon.
Why not? I used good soil.
Yeah?
And I watered it.
Well, that's good.
And I let it sit in my windowsill all this morning. I've done everything right.
Blueberry, it's okay. You have done everything right, and I'm proud of you. But good, healthy growth takes time in plants just like people.
Why does healthy growth take time?
Blueberry, it's okay. Have you ever built a tall tower with your blocks, Blueberry?
Well, once, my friend Max and I built a tower just about as tall as me.
If we build a tower, but we don't take our time and we go really fast, we just focus on making it as tall as it can be,
Oh, no.
it's not very sturdy.
No.
But if we take our time and we work on making it wide and strong, see, our tower is a lot stronger structure.
Oh, good job.
So with you and me, and even your sunflower, just because things don't happen right when we want them to, doesn't mean that we did something wrong. All living things grow at their own pace.
Yeah.
And sometimes the slower we grow, the stronger we'll be.
Well, I bet my sunflower's gonna be huge.
I bet so too.
High five.